Space is a place of infinite vastness filled with countless mysteries. From black holes to water planets, collapsing stars to massive nebulas, it's a realm brimming with details that shock both people and scientists alike. However, amidst all this chaos, there are discoveries so extraordinary that even the imagination of scientists is stretched to its limits. In this mini-documentary, we will explore some of the most fascinating and mysterious phenomena we've discovered in space. Massive voids, magnetic stars, galactic wars, and much more.
That we've traversed the
Void,
cosmic
the largest
maze
void
leading
in
to the
universe,
discovery
discovered
of
in
voids.
1981.
Let us delve into one of the most
Void is the
mysterious
largest
voids
structure ever
confirmed to
found in the
date.
universe.
A void so
Spanning
large that
330
it's been
million light
nicknamed
years in
the
diameter.
Great Void.
This colossal void is 3,300
Welcome
times
to the
larger
Buddhist
than our
Void,
Milky Way galaxy.
named after the
But what
constellation
makes
in
this
which it
void
is
truly
located.
intriguing is that,
The
despite
void
dense
of
population
Bodas,
galaxies
discovered
around
by
it,
astronomers. Void is
there are
not
only
only
60
large,
galaxies
but
within the
also
void.
incredibly empty.
There are several
In an
theories
area
on how
of
this
space
void may
where we
have
normally
formed.
expect to
One
find
suggests that a
10,000
supermassive
galaxies,
black
there are
hole might
only
have
60
exploded,
in the
wiping
Bodas
out
Void.
everything in its surroundings.
Think of it as a cosmic
Another
desert,
theory
a
proposes that dark
vast
energy pushed
expanse
the
of
region outward,
emptiness,
creating the
amid a
void.
densely populated
Some
cosmos
theorists even
filled
speculate
with
that it could be the
galaxies.
result of a galactic-scale
The
alien war.
presence of such a colossal
However,
void
with current
contradicts the
technology,
cosmological
we still
principle,
cannot definitively
which states
explain
that
the
when
cause of
viewed
this
on a
immense
large enough
void.
scale,
Magnetar is the most dangerous stars in the universe. One of the most extraordinary types of stars in the universe is the magnetar, a neutron star with an extremely dense and powerful magnetic field. The magnetic field. The magnetic pull of these stars is so intense that it can affect entire planets and stars. The magnetic field of a magnetar is 1 trillion times stronger than Earth's magnetic field. If you were to come within 1,000 kilometers of a magnetar, the intense magnetic pull would tear apart your atoms, literally turning you into dust. These stars can cause earthquakes and structural disruptions even in massive stars nearby. In 2004, the magnetar known as SGR 180620 self-destructed with such a massive explosion that it was detected from 50,000 light-years away. The gamma rays emitted from the explosion rendered an area within a 1,000 light-year radius completely uninhabitable. The largest water cloud, the universe's water treasure. You might think water is rare in the universe.
This video is all about water.
About 12 billion
Vast
light years away
quantities
from
of
Earth,
water
scientists
floating
discovered
in
a
space.
massive cloud of water orbiting a supermassive black hole. This cloud is
The
so
largest
enormous
body
that
of
it would take a
water
light
so
speed
far
spacecraft
known
centuries
is a
to travel from
reservoir
one end
of
to the other.
water floating in
According to
space around
scientists,
an
the
ancient
amount of
distant
water in this cloud
quasar,
is 140
holding
trillion times greater
140
than all the oceans on
trillion
Earth
times
combined.
the mass of water.
Glass rain, the deadliest weather. If you have complaints about the weather, think about planet HD 1897773 billion. On this planet, it rains glass particles constantly, driven by winds blowing at 8,000 kilometers per hour. The planet is so rich in silicates that the vaporized silicate condenses in the atmosphere, turning into glass and raining down in deadly storms. It's like a lethal glass storm. The Perseus Cluster, the giant skull in space about 320 million light-years away from Earth. An image of the Perseus Cluster eerily resembles a giant skull. This massive cluster, made up of thousands of galaxies, looks like a region of hell. The gases within the cluster are scorching at a temperature of 50 million degrees Celsius. The skull-like image might be caused by a supermassive black hole at the center of the cluster. The Boomerang Nebula, the coldest place in the universe. Our next stop is the coldest place in the universe, the Boomerang Nebula. This nebula was formed from gases surrounding a dying star. The temperature here is only 1 degree warmer than absolute zero, which is minus 273 degrees Celsius. The cold here is so extreme that even atoms seem to stop moving. Truly, one of the most deadly spots in the universe. Kepler 438 billion, our second Earth. Our final stop is Kepler 438 billion, a planet that may be the closest match to Earth. Kepler 438 billion tops the list of habitable planets. Scientists believe this planet possesses all the necessary conditions for life. The presence of liquid water on its surface and its distance from its star make it an ideal candidate for the development of life. Perhaps, in the future, Kepler 438 billion could be humanity's second home. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more interesting discoveries and information. See you in the next video. Take care.